Hey everyone, I want to give you guys another look at this pond. Now, if you saw the video from yesterday, it was raining and it had overflowed. And today, basically, it stopped raining and the temperature dropped and it's starting to freeze over. Now, you can see that on this end over here where the overflow is, right over there, how it's still kind of like slowly leaking out. All right, so it's like this is the pond like completely maxed out. And you can see on this side over here how it's backed up all the way to that little retaining wall that I have over there, so the water doesn't spill out into my walkway and get that too wet over there. So yeah, I just wanted to take another look at it, or to basically record what it looks like maxed out. And the ice sheet that's on top of it really makes it easier to see where the water level is. Okay. So it's really interesting if you go back and you look at the videos from a few weeks ago where we hadn't had rain for like almost 3 months and how much lower it had gotten. See here, it's like basically spread out all the way to the walkway. So it's become a lot wider, and over there it's backed up all the way to that target. It's not going to go any further than that because of the water relief on the other side, where it's going to want to escape if it gets any higher than this. So that's as far back as it will go up to that target. It'll drop a little bit because the water, I think, is still leaking out, because it's still like over here. If you look over here, there's still water that's kind of like seeping into the pond. I think the temperature is like right around like 32, 33 degrees. So you still have water that's seeping into it. So the fish are basically down underneath the ice. At this point over here, it's about 4 feet deep. And I mentioned that in prior videos, the water is densest at 38 degrees. So the heavier, warmer water sinks to the bottom, right? And then the cold water comes to the top. And that's why the pond usually freezes that's why the pond freezes at the top. And then the ice sheet on the top acts as an insulation, so that the water underneath it, stays warmer, stays at about 38 degrees.